Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we're going to start the day out with mostly cloudy skies. We're going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies through the morning and afternoon hours today. We did have a couple of isolated showers that moved through earlier this morning, even had some lightning associated with those around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, but that is all cleared off to the east, and we are going to see some quieter weather as we go through the next several hours here. You can see here the frontal boundary still stalled off just to our south, much like what we had yesterday. High pressure to the north, and we've got weak energy moving at the upper levels of the atmosphere through the Wallops region. We are going to see a little break in the action here over the next few hours, and then maybe a chance of a few scattered showers once again as we go into the afternoon today. But that looks like it will be a pretty insignificant event for us this afternoon, as those showers do look to be fairly light and will likely miss the Wallops region without making direct impact over the area. Looking at our satellite radar, you can see some very isolated light rain shower activity off toward the central and northern sections of the state of Virginia. That's going to continue to move toward the east and likely track to our north as we go through the next few hours. It does look like we'll see a little bit more energy associated with another wave of precipitation that moves through later this afternoon that will also likely be a little farther to the north. Northern sections of the Delmarva will likely have a better chance of seeing some of those rain showers during the afternoon, but we will see the slight risk here at Wallops. Taking a look at our high resolution short range model, you can see not much activity looking at the model as we go through the afternoon. This would be at 5 o'clock local time. You can see just a few isolated rain showers at that point, and that's when I think we'll see our best chance today of any kind of rain activity as we go into the mid to late afternoon. Looking at our current conditions out there, a little bit of cloudiness at the mid levels, few clouds at 7,500 feet, broken deck at 9,000 feet, broken deck at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Those winds out of an east-northeasterly direction at 5 knots, temperature at 65 degrees, and our relative humidity at 81%. Taking a look here at our next 24 hours and what we can expect, not really looking at anything too significant over the next 24 hours, with the exception of just a very slight chance of an isolated rain shower or two during the late afternoon hours. Looks like after 4 o'clock is when we'll see the best chance of seeing some of those light rain showers, but only looking at about a 10 or 15% chance of that occurring. We're going to see temperatures rise into the low 70s for us today, so another unseasonably warm day, about 5 degrees above average for this time of year. And then we'll see those winds generally out of a southeasterly direction as we go into the afternoon, becoming slightly breezy during the afternoon, 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 18 knots at times, and then dying down out of the southeast as we go into the evening hours tonight. We'll see mostly cloudy. Could see those cloud ceilings lower to about 1,000 feet, but not looking for anything too concerning as far as the ceilings are concerned overnight tonight. See some light winds, southeasterly flow before midnight, turning more southwesterly in direction after midnight, and that should prevent any kind of significant low cloudiness to develop over the Wallops region overnight tonight as we get that westerly flow pick up after midnight. By tomorrow morning, expect mostly cloudy skies with a temperature right around 65 degrees as we wake up tomorrow morning, and we'll see those winds out of the southwest at 7 to 12 knots. Then as we go into the day on Friday, we'll start to see conditions really go downhill as the winds will start to pick up during the morning. We'll see a pretty good chance of a wind advisory tomorrow. It will be likely seeing those winds over 25 knots throughout the day. And then we'll see the chances for showers and thunderstorms also increasing throughout the day. It looks like we'll see about a 30 or 40% chance of something before the noontime hour, but chances will really increase after 12 p.m. as we see those showers and thunderstorms start to approach the region, especially during the mid and late afternoon hours. We'll see a very good chance of some showers and thunderstorms here. Some of those showers could produce some gusty winds as they move through, especially with the last squall line that is expected to move through during the early evening hours. But all that should clear out fairly quickly Friday night, and after midnight we should see some pretty rapidly clearing skies with mostly clear skies by early Saturday morning. We'll see those winds continuing to be breezy as that front moves through Friday night and high pressure begins to build into the Wallops region on Saturday. We'll see mostly sunny and breezy conditions on Saturday with a high of 70 degrees, and those winds still continuing to gust around 25, maybe even up to 30 knots at times during the first part of the day on Saturday. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.